Hello, it's me again. Good evening, everyone. With regards to the work of Keith Truth, well, I am afraid that the same thing will happen in our country, the Philippines, because for the obvious reasons that our government is fa- has kind of fallen prey with the pressures of the globalist movement. We should remember that in 1996, the Philippines has entered into the World Trade Organization and the GATT. What has happened is that our local agriculture has suffered a lot, and cottage industries. A perfect example of that is the Marikina shoe industry. It is once a capital of shoes in the Philippines, but it was ruined by foreign competitions. What I'm trying to say is that all of these things that is happening around us is created by the Illuminati, and I sincerely believe that. After watching so many videos, I have decided to send a letter to one of the senators here in the Philippines, who is the son of the late President Corazon C. Aquino, who fought for our democracy here in the Philippines against the tyranny of the Marcos administration, who run the country for 20 years. And I told her son that to watch the video and then be very worried, for I'm afraid that the same thing will happen to our central bank, and our constitution and our liberties as a nation and sovereignty as a Filipino nation will be put into waste. And do not let the sacrifice of their parents and other revolutionaries who fought against the hated Spanish colonial masters be put into vain. And I couldn't simply let that my country would be put into prey by those global global cartel of financial elite whose main goal is to enslave us. I believe that it's about time that we stand up and fight for our rights before it's too late. And it isn't God's plan for us to be enslaved by others. According to the Bible, we are created in His image and likeness, and thus no one is entitled to enslave his or her brother. If our Lord Jesus Christ is alive today, maybe He will be the first one who will stand up on those people who are obviously sold their souls to the devil so that they will get what they want, right? I believe that it's the world is already waking up for the truth. And to tell you the truth, I'm planning to write, or rather make a blog on it on YouTube, on my account, and educate my countrymen and encourage to see the works featured here on YouTube on the conspiracy of the global elite, the Bilderbergers, etc., etc., etc. I know for a fact that in the end, God's people will triumph over the evil. This is the time where we must unite as His children to fight for our right. And I, as a good Christian, would really do my part also in sacrificing everything by educating each and everyone about the evil plans that they wanted to do. So much to say. I hope and pray to the Lord that my countrymen in the Philippines will also join the fight or crusade against the global elite, because I don't want the sacrifice of my great grandfather, who was one of the revolutionaries in this 1896-1898 Philippine Spanish Revolutionary. He was part of the revolutionary forces with Andres Bonifacio, who founded Katipunan, or the patriot movement here in the Philippines. My grandfather almost was killed in defending for our freedom that we younger Filipinos now enjoy for about 112 years since we became a nation. One thing I would like to say and to get my message around the world is that I love the Philippines very much, and mabuhay ang kasarinlan ng bayang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang himagsikan, mabuhay si Gat Andres Bonifacio. Good evening or magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay po kayo.